God, before I got the camera, I honestly thought my drink, which is right next to me, was the camera, and I almost opened it and sprayed water all over this paper. But yeah, guys, today we are going to be doing another redrawing video. I have so many of my OCs, but today the one that we're going to be doing is named Koki. It wasn't focusing. Okay, so this is Koki. I know her name is Koki because there's actually information on the back, if you can guys kind of see that. So let's actually read this. Okay, so Koki is a mechanized villain. She rides a disc. She calls her Explonzag. I actually know how to pronounce it. She may look harmless, but trust me, you do not want to see her in action. Her mortal enemy is Elise. Not Princess Elise from Sonic 06 or whatever. This is actually what Elise looks like. Not too shabby. I should do a redrawing video of her. Yeah. She can only use her disc if she changes her form to Thunder Koki. The gem on Koki's stomach enables her to change Kang form. Well, she can also use her disc in her normal form too. So yeah, that's basically all the information about Koki. So yeah, we're gonna be drawing an evil one. A yellow one! Just kidding, it's not yellow. Okay, so anyways, let's just draw her. So I'm actually gonna try doing her on her disc. Also, I do have a picture literally of her and Elise, not colored, but she's in her thunder form. If you guys wanna see, here it is. That is Thunder Koki. And that's Elise. Dang, poor Elise. She gets a face off with that one. Also, I did look through my pictures, and I do have a picture of Super Taito. Super Taito will probably be the next one I'm doing. Super Taito actually looks really cool. He's right next to me too, but I'm not going to show you guys until another video. So, yeah guys, without further ado, let's do this. Alright, so, first of all, gonna want to do this. Focus! Okay, that's better. Okay, so, sorry. Now oh yeah. So, obviously, okay, I'm actually gonna put the one with her in her thunder thing right there. So, by the way, this is the only thing I'm going to be drawing. Okay, well, obviously, Koki's already turned out bad. Okay, so it kind of looked like that. Gosh, I should win the Terrible Award. Man, this looks so snazzy. Okay, well, off to a bad start. Let me fix this. Let me fix the right ear. I guess this looks a little better. One second. Sorry, it's just this gave me the better advantage to do this. Like this. You're back again. Alright. Alright, so Just like how I make my characters half the time. Those are some big eyes. I'm just kidding. That's not how it looks. Okay. So this is her so far. I'm sure you guys think that she's bad, but guess what? Well, obviously she's a bad guy, but I mean she looks bad. How I'm drawing her. Disc this. Okay. Okay. Then there's this. Do you think this looks bad? I mean, I think so, but some of you guys might not agree with me. But literally, I agree with myself, so. She has no nose or mouth. Not to worry. I shall fix that. It's not the same kind of face as I drew Lily last time, but don't worry. Alright. So far, this is looking pretty bad. I'm actually going to make her in her normal form, mainly because I like her normal form. And it looks nice in her normal form. She actually, yeah, if you actually look at this picture, she actually does look pretty harmless. That's not what the back said. Plus, those spelling errors really need to be fixed. Alright, so I've already gone through a lot of minutes so far, almost 8 minutes, and I haven't even started the body, so let's just do this. Okay, so that's her so far. Since it doesn't look like she has sleeves, I'm actually gonna make her with sleeves. Like the longest sleeves ever. Don't worry. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. But first let me make this. Okay, let me look at this. Let me look at this in light. It kind of looks like the shape of an X. So that doesn't look too bad. She looked really nice. Just kidding. She actually looks really bad. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hey guys, leave in the comments. Do you want me to redraw Super Taito next, or do you want me to redraw Elise next? And to warn you guys, if I draw Elise, this is probably gonna take an hour. And it'll probably take like days to upload, literally, because if you look at Elise, how am I supposed to redraw this? But hey, I'm not gonna worry. Okay, so how many of those squarey bumps does she have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It's not really even, considering this one's really small, but hey, I don't really care. Okay, then there's this. All right. So far she's looking pretty bad. I don't even know why I'm proud of this. Was proud of this. I'll make her on the, what's it called? The Explonzag. I know how it was pronounced, mainly because I still remember. Koki. It's pretty mean. I'll tell you that. She's pretty mean. Gosh, I should have really written the date on some of these. Also, I haven't even started drawing. No, I have drawn. What am I doing? I have drew Lily and Karnkai. I just haven't started coloring them. I'll do it. I'll do it later. Okay. Okay, so let me draw her with those sleeves right there. See, that looks much better. Okay, these gloves. Gosh, those look sharp. Okay. Two, three, 4, 5. Okay. So, she's really bad. She's meant to be a cat. Obviously, her tail looks like a friggin' cat. But trust me, she looks really grumpy. It looks like she's wearing boots, so let me just... So her shoes were like this. Okay. Her mouth is open because I'm gonna make her say something. Just so you guys know. So let me look at her boots real quick. Oh my, oh, what the heck? I can't even see it. Okay. Okay, so. Kind of looks like this. And then the rest looks like this. Kind of like that. I guess. Make the other hand after the other shoe. Okay, this looks too skinny. I haven't really erased a lot for some reason. I don't know why. Okay. And then finally, this. Okay, so far she's probably, I mean, she looks pretty better than Karnkai, so. Yeah, Karnkai was pretty hard to make. This is actually pretty hard to make too. But, yeah. No wonder. Alright, so let's do the other hand. Sleeves, obviously. Okay. Then this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. And finally, well, not finally, after the tail, I'll need to do the, what's it called? The Thundong? Wait, no. Explonzag. Oh my gosh, why do I keep on sure? Okay. Okay. So obviously I want her tail to be like this. Okay. Okay. Finally her bow. It's just the fact that her tail did look pretty long. Okay. Well, last things last. Okay. Time to make an Explonzag. I want one of these. How do you ride these? Okay, this looks really bad, but I don't care. Now finally, let's do the writing. I'm really not gonna want it's time for my terrible handwriting to ace again. I'm gonna pause it though because it's mostly harder to write than it is to draw. Not too shabby to be honest. But yeah, that's basically all I have to do. But anyway, guys, oh yeah, I have to write something down. Gosh, I have a lot of cats. Cat OCs, that is. Yeah, anyway, guys, I think I should end it. I'm actually going to turn this thing off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.